Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Oden, and I'm from Greenville, South Carolina. I moved to New Jersey about 2.5 years ago, I guess, to do my master's at Rutgers. I have the summer semester and fall semester left, so I'm cohort 14. And currently I work at the Domestic Abuse and Sexual Assault Crisis Center in Warren County as the long-term case manager. So it's my job to assist clients as they transition out of our shelter and connect them to stable housing, help them get jobs, things like that. I am interested in pursuing counseling, specifically for sexual assault, I think. But I'm also interested in sexual assault prevention work. So I've been working with like NJ CASA, which is the New Jersey Coalition Against Sexual Assault, to get more information about what that would look like. So I'm still kind of back and forth with that. As far as mental health goes, we see a lot of clients that have PTSD related to the abuse or assaults that they experience. So I'm really interested in finding out more about how to assist clients in coping with some of that post-traumatic stress. So I'm looking forward to a good semester, and I hope everybody's families are doing well and staying healthy in this crazy time with this pandemic, and hopefully we'll get through the summer semester together. Thanks.